Hey besties, we got some slime. It was my birthday yesterday. I literally just came back from my old house, so it came with this. I get to decorate it. This is the slime. Cut it out. It's one of them easily breakable slimes. Put it all in. Oh god, I don't want it on the carpet. It's not a sticky slime, which is actually quite sad. Oh, wait, I nearly got it out. I got it out. But you can't blame me for trying. You know I've been lying, saying you are what. Anyway, today we're going to be decorating it. God, if I can get his hair up. But you can't blame me for trying. Okay, my best. I need to move back so you guys can see the slime. Ooh, ooh. Right, okay. I kind of like these little stars. The blue stars here. I'm going to put them on. That's such bad fruit. It's burning and then can I add a few of these? I'm sure, yes, I'm sure. I love these, they can literally go everywhere. Keep bouncing off. My throat really hurts like my balls. But you never let me from trying. Feels even worse, guys. My foot really hurts. So, okay. Probably can't really see the stars really. I'm not going to talk bells look so horrible. Anyway. Okay. I guess that's not it today, guys. That's not it. I'm going to just basically pluck all the hairs out. My throat really hurts. I can't play with it really because it just breaks when I play with it. I'm gonna go about what I really want to. You can probably hear my mum talking about CBB slams because they're basically all towers in CBB land connected to my baby brother went to CBB land when I went on all the roller coasters. I went on the Wicker Man. It was so scary. I kind of didn't want to, I didn't go on. I was like, I really don't want to go on, I really don't want to go on. And then this person in front of me, this mum, she calmed me down. And then the rider said, oh, I go on it every morning. Yeah. And, you know I wouldn't be going on it if it was scary, so why don't you go on? And then the mum said, she said, what ride have you been on before? This. And I said, it was a spinball thing. Anyway, spinball roller coaster. And then she said to me, oh yeah, it's not as bad as the Wicker Man, don't worry. No, it's badder than the Wicker Man, don't worry. This one isn't nothing. And I said, how would you know if you've never been here before? And then she said to me, I didn't say that to her, but I said it in my head. And then, so basically me and my dad looked at each other and we were like, did she just lie to our faces? And then the guy at the work said to us, he said, you guys can go in the dead middle, number 7. I was just like, okay, I guess I'll go in the middle then. So I kind of had no choice to go on because they were like blagging me, going, oh, come on, you only live once. And I was just like, no, but please. It was going like full speed as well. And this ride has actually had fire before, so yeah, I was really scared. Someone's lost their leg on the Smiler. I didn't actually go on the Smiler. We were only there for like 5 hours. Anyway, we woke up at like 7 o'clock in the morning just to go there. So yeah. But yeah, it was really fun and I love Alton Towers and we're going there again next year. I also went shopping yesterday and got loads of stuff. But anyway, that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna go back where I want to. Slay.